guys, it's Oksana. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna take you guys on a really fun adventure to a cabin in Blue Ridge, Georgia. We are actually celebrating our 6-year anniversary. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what traveling looks like with our family, what we do for fun, kind of behind the scenes. How's your coffee?
Delicious. That way I don't spill it either.
This is such a beautiful cabin. Y'all see that fire behind me? Oh my gosh, this is how we spend most of our days if we're not looking at our beautiful view from the mountains. But I thought it would be super fun to bring you guys along. One thing that I really love to do is I like to pack really practical. So I pack just enough to be able to rotate outfits. So I always make sure to have some black leggings, some solid t-shirts, and maybe 1 or 2 cardigans that are just fun to throw on with a scarf, dress it up, dress it down. So as far as packing our baby, I ended up making sure that I packed some sleeping outfits. Those are a little bit more of my priorities. I ended up getting all fleece ones for him since we are in the mountains. It's a little bit cooler out here. And I went ahead and just packed him up to mimic what he has at home. I ended up bringing the pack and play as his crib, our white noise machine, our baby monitor, a little changing area to keep him as comfortable as possible while we are in a different location. One of the first things I love to do when I travel is I love to be able to come into this home and just kind of see, what am I working with? What is it gonna feel like this week? What do I want to set up for my family? How do I want my adventure and travel to be like? I typically scope out the area and I see, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and unpack all of my clothes in this dresser or hang it up. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my bath station. I'm gonna go ahead and unload all of our groceries, put everything in the fridge or in the pantry. And I just like to basically make myself at home. I love doing that. It's typically my first day. Looks like just unpacking, settling, tidying up, and creating a space that I want to spend in those next few days, however long I'm there. So that's kind of the first thing I like to do. We have our son on a pretty strict sleeping schedule. We follow the Moms on Call. So any other Moms on Call women out there, let me know below. I always love meeting some fellow sleep trainers. But we ended up sleep training our baby. We had him on the same schedule that we always have him on. He just turned 7 months this week. We were able to maintain his naps, maintain his sleep schedule throughout the night. So what a typical day looks like for us: we will wake up in the morning at 7 a.m. and I go ahead and I get up, I grab the baby. Hi, buddy. I go ahead and nurse him in the morning. Are you ready to eat some food? It's so sweet. Just spend a little bit of time with him, get him ready for the day. Once I have him pretty situated, I get ready. I gotta brush my teeth. I gotta brush my teeth, boy! Okay. You're embarrassing me. Brush my teeth. I secretly like that you're filming me. Oh. I do my hair, my makeup, get dressed. I feel like it's really important how you get yourself ready for the day. I know a lot of people like to just roll out of bed and just stay in their pajamas. For me, I end up finding myself getting a little bit more groggy that way. I don't find myself as motivated or having as much energy. So I love getting ready for my day regardless if I'm just staying home or if I'm traveling. Once I get ready, I walk out to the kitchen. I ask Alexa to go ahead and play some worship music, and we go ahead and make some coffee.
Tired?
Actually, yeah. And start some breakfast. While I am cooking or my husband is cooking, we get our baby just to kind of hang out with us in the kitchen. So we'll give him a toy or two. Once that time rolls around, we lay him down for his nap. And then my husband and I, we grab our Bibles, we grab our devotionals, our books, journals, whatever we are working on, and we go outside onto our patio and we just enjoy the beautiful sunrise, we enjoy the beautiful mountain views, and we just enjoy having that devotional with Jesus and with one another. So that is something I look forward to personally, and that really helps me set up for the remainder of the day. So our baby naps for about 1.5 hours. Once that time is up, I always have my baby monitor, so I know when baby's up and ready to go. I go ahead and grab him and I nurse him. Then we kind of repeat our morning. One of us tackles cooking lunch, the other one feeds the baby. We just kind of tidy up and get ourselves ready for the next portion of our day. Then we have our son go down for his second nap of the day, which starts at 12:30. At that time, when we put him down, that is usually when my husband and I have some fun time. So we play maybe some games. Recently, we just played some shuffleboard. Winner. Then when the baby gets up around 2:30, I go ahead and nurse him. We kind of transition to, hey, let's go do something outdoors. So we'll go down to downtown Blue Ridge. We'll go for a walk. We'll go hiking. We will go sit outside and start a fire. So it's kind of a time for us just to hang out. It's a really long window for him being awake.
Did you have a fun hiking trail?
No.
Why, sweetie? Why are you so cranky?
Not cranky. I just have Kim Kardashian I'm walking with.
That's me. Well, I think we had fun while it lasted.
You might have had fun. This is what I heard my whole trip. Where's the girl? Where's the thing? Why is this in a tree? Mom, what's gonna happen? Let's turn around. Oh my gosh, what is that? Do you hear that? Did you see that? What is that? Oh, it's a leaf. Okay, let's turn around now. I gotta keep going. What's down here? I'm gonna slip. Watch out, you're going too fast. You're going too slow. You're going too medium.
You're going to medium. I think we hiked as much as we were able to. And now it's time to turn around. Let's just say I'm not made for the outdoors. Oh my gosh. That was scary. Well, it was a leaf, but I thought it was a bug. And neither are you, Mr. Bougie. Did you hear something?
Yeah.
I'm out of breath. Come on, don't act like you don't want to go back either.
I don't want to go back.
Why?
I don't want to see what's at the bottom.
I can tell you. Look, this is at the bottom. Trees and leaves. What else do you want to see?
Then we'll come back inside and one of us will tackle bathing the baby, and then I will nurse him before he goes down to sleep. And then we put him down at 7 p.m. and that is usually my most exciting time. So my husband and I will make a really special dinner and we'll go ahead and watch a movie, or we'll just sit around the fire, or we'll just talk and hang out. We do have a hot tub in this cabin, so we've been taking hot tub outings in the mornings and afternoons. That's been super fun. All right, so we just put the baby down and we are about to go outside to the hot tub. It's so cold. This is also a time we get to just play games with each other, or we just get to talk. I always look forward to this time. Typically have been going to bed around like 10 or 11, and then we wake up at 7 a.m. and we repeat the whole day again. We always make sure that we have a grocery run right before we come into our vacation home. So we have all the coffee and creamers and all the snacks and all the meals we need, so that if we don't want to go out that day, we have everything we need here at the house. We like to just really utilize the fire pit, the fireplace, the hot tubs, all the games, all the rooms, and really, really make it as special as we possibly can. So that is pretty much our cabin trip in a nutshell. And we love traveling, so now that we get to have our son come along, it's so fun. This encourages you guys. I know a lot of people that personally they don't like traveling with kids, or they don't want to bring along a baby, or it's just too much work, and I just want to challenge you guys to just do it. Build those memories and keep traveling, keep having fun. I think getting away as a family is one of the most important things you can do, and being able to just reconnect and have fun and laugh and play. You lost!
You can't do that.
Why? You lost! I'm the winner!
He was a red 3.
Your mommy won. So I hope this encourages you guys on how to travel. You know, one thing my husband and I, we always ask each other before every trip is we say, hey, what are your priorities this week? What is something that you really want to do? And we both lay out our goals, our priorities, our vision, and that way we can really spend this week making sure those are done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and just got to see how we travel, how we do family, and hopefully give you guys some tips to travel with a baby and how it's totally doable and it's so fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for all the other fun videos. I can't wait to see y'all next time.